Very soft banana bread, muffins. Look at this. Look at this, guys. You want to know how to do it? Let's go. Have you ever wondered what you're gonna do with these ugly, rotting bananas? Stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with them. So we're gonna start with the flour. Okay, we're gonna add inside the baking powder and then the bicarbonate soda. Okay, baking soda. We're gonna mix it together, okay, in the bowl. And it's very important as well, we are going to sieve the flour to prevent any lumps inside, okay. So little by little, sieve it. You see, at times the flour is lumps. Now we're gonna add the cinnamon powder, the nutmeg, mix them together. Now I'm gonna grease some baking tin. Okay, I am using an aluminum tin. It's very good for baking. Okay, first put some oil inside. Okay, some sunflower oil I'm using. I'm using a kitchen towel. So you can even use in the base as well baking paper. I'm going to put some flour inside. Okay, easy. Just tap it like this. Okay. Make sure that it's all around the edges. You have the flour. Okay, and dump it to the other one. Heat it well. Remove the flour. You need to put the oven on. The oven will be 170 degrees Celsius. We're gonna start now. We're gonna add inside the bananas, add in the sugar. So I'm using a mixer, but this recipe as well, you can make it with a whisk with your hand or the hand electric mixer. Similar process. So we're gonna mix it, okay, until the banana is mashed with the sugar, and the sugar as well needs to dissolve. You can even use white sugar. When the banana is mashed, you're gonna add the egg inside one by one. If you are mixing by hands, okay, with a whisk, it's better to whisk first the eggs. So now we are adding wet ingredients inside. We add inside the oil, okay, little by little. Now I'm going to put it on slow. Add inside slowly the flour. Okay, it's a bit too fast now. This stage of the recipe is very important because if you mix too fast the flour, the batter will get too tough. You will remove the egg. So I highly recommend you do this one very slow. This stage, please, we need to wash the hands as well. Okay, with hands like this on the side, slowly inside like this. This movement, okay, not to over mix it. We're gonna fill the 3 baking tin. For the video, I will make 3, and then the rest I'm going to make some muffins. Okay, it's important to remove some extra that interferes on the edges to prevent burning. Tap it a little bit like this. Okay, I'm going to make 3 types of banana bread. One, I'm going to put some fresh banana. Okay, that I've sliced them. Okay, like this. So the second one, what I'm going to do is I have some. I'm using my Indo cutter. Dip it inside sunflower oil like this, the front part. After, in the center, push it down and remove. I will repeat again. The last one, what I'm going to use is, I'm going to get some muesli, okay, on top, like this. On the top like this as well, it's optional. Now it's going in the oven. I'm putting it in the center of the oven, and at this point you should not open the oven. Now I'm going to make the muffins, okay? So I'm using 2 spoons, or if you have a piping bag, you can use even piping bag, it's faster, okay, like this. Okay, what you do is 1 spoon, you collect, the other one, you push, okay? Like that as well, you can't have the exact amount. I'm not putting it together with the banana bread because the muffin will cook faster, which I will have to open the oven, which is something we don't want to do when the banana is baking, until about 45 minutes when it's well cooked. Okay guys, after 45 minutes we're gonna check. So the first thing is to fill the center. If the center is hard, that means it's good, you can keep it open. And then with a knife, okay, we're gonna prick the center. If the knife come out dry, okay, the cake is ready. Gonna remove it now to cool down. Here we go guys. This one with the one I put the oil in the center is the crack, the one with the muesli, and the one with the fresh banana on top. Now we're gonna leave it to completely cool down, and then I'm going to remove it from the mold. Meanwhile, I have put in the oven the muffin for about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna remove the cake inside the tin. So first of all, what we know, a small little knife, just pass all around the edges, just to make sure it's not stuck. You can break the banana bread, okay? Okay, after that, small tap, turn it upside down, tap it, and it's out. And you have to put it on a grill. All right, that will prevent it from getting wet under. That is why it's very important as well to remove it inside the baking tin. Okay, here we go. You got the muffin is ready. Okay, so straight away we're gonna remove it inside the mold. Okay, because with the heat of the mold, it will get dry. All right, removing all of them. Oh, it's hot. In one recipe, you can have two items. Okay, look at this, very soft. Look at this. See, soft. Number good. I don't know about you guys, but me, I'm ready for a nice coffee with my banana cake. Here we go guys, simple recipe, made easy. With only 9 ingredients, we can make this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.